Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering precise network info, SSID, the exact password, and whether the network uses WPA or WPA2. Once you have that, choose whether you need guest access versus permanent device join, because that affects security settings. Next, open a trusted QR generator that supports Wi-Fi QR format and enter SSID, encryption type, and password exactly. Make sure to set the hidden SSID flag if the network is hidden. This prevents failed connections later. Now you generate the QR code with care. Type the SSID exactly, including capitalization and any special characters, because devices match names precisely. Select the correct encryption type, WPA/WPA2, or choose none for open networks, then paste the password. Once done, preview the encoded string to confirm accuracy and export the QR as PNG or SVG at high resolution to avoid blur. If you need printed codes, choose 300 dpi or larger. If digital, make sure contrast is high for reliable scanning. Deploy the QR and test it immediately. Scan with your phone and a second device to verify the join process. If connection fails, check for simple causes, typos in SSID or password, wrong encryption selected, or the network is hidden, because those are the usual culprits. Once you correct any mistake, rescan. If problems persist, reboot the access point, update the client device OS, or manually enter credentials to confirm they work. This narrows down whether QR encoding or network settings are at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.